How would you like to build a real estate website like this one in just a few minutes as a complete beginner? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a real estate website for your real estate business in a matter of minutes without any experience. So if you want to build a professional website that looks like this, or maybe a different template, then keep watching the video as I'll explain step by step what you need to do in order to make a simple but good looking website like this. In order to build a website, we need a website builder. The one that I'm going to use in this video and the one that I recommend using is called Wix. If you go to the Wix website, you can click on Get Started right there, and you can then sign up for your free account. You can do that by clicking right there, and you can then sign up, or you can continue with Facebook, or you can continue with Google, which you can do by simply clicking on one of these options. If you already have an account just like me, you can simply log in right here, and that will send you over to your Wix dashboard. And they will send you to your My Sites page. Now, if you just signed up for a brand new account, you won't see any sites right here. So what you can do is click on, let me get rid of this, click on Create New Site in the top right corner. If you then click on Other, and you then click on Choose a Template, which I recommend doing, you'll then end up right here where you can pick the website template you love. So what you can do here is simply find amazing website templates that you can use for your own website. If you scroll down, you'll see that they've got lots of them. They've got over 69 pages of website templates. What I recommend doing is simply clicking on Search All Templates in the top right corner and then searching for real estate. If you do that, they will show you all of their real estate website templates. So in the intro, I showed you this one. So let's say that you want to use this one. What you can do is click on Edit, but I'll get into that in a few seconds. But before that, let's scroll down. I do want to let you know that there are multiple pages of templates available. So make sure you scroll down, you pretty much take a look at all of them, and you pick the one that you would like to use for your website. So we've got a landing page, we've got the real estate consultant, we've got the real estate company, we've got construction company. So just choose the one that you would like to go with. Now let's say that you want to go with this one, or you simply want to preview it. You can click on View, then click View Full Demo, so that you can get an understanding of what the template looks like and if it would be a good fit for your own website. So if I now scroll down, I'll see what the template looks like. And you can see that this is the template that I showed you in the intro. Let's say that you're happy with that. You can click on Edit this site in the top right corner, and that will then send you into the Wix website editor. And that's where you can start customizing the website, which I'll show you in a bit. Now let's say you're not happy with the template. You can pretty much go back and then simply click on a new one until you find one that you would like to use. And like I just said, you then click on the Wix website editor. Now this always takes a few minutes or like a while to load, so I'll get back to you once this is done. Here we are in the Wix website editor. So as you guys can see right there, this is now the template that I chose. And what I can now do is I can simply customize all of the content on here so that it fits for my own website or my own business. So what you can do is simply click on a section on the template, and you can do this with backgrounds, buttons, the menus, the text, all of it. Simply click on it and you can then change it. So for this, you don't need any coding, and building a website with the Wix website builder is not that hard. Even if you're a beginner, you do want to play around with it, see how it works, and then you should be good to go. So what you can do is simply click on Edit Text. Now you can then simply change it. So you can do this, get rid of it, and then pretty much type in whatever you would like to do or whatever you would like to use on the website. You can see that the font doesn't look great, so what you can then do is click color. You can choose white. You can then also change the font, so you can go to this one maybe, and you can change the font size by doing this. So you can see that you can pretty much customize literally everything on the website, which I'll also show you in a bit, but that's how you can change text. What you can then also do is change the background. For that, click on the background, click Manage Media, and they'll then go over to the media on your website. So that's pretty much all the images and photo, that's the same images and videos that you use on your website. So if you click Add Media, you can add a video, or you can add an image and even text. Let's say I want to go with an image. I simply click Image. I can then upload that right there, Upload Media, from my own computer, or I can go with free stock footage from Unsplash or even Wix. So what you can then do is simply type in what you're looking for. Let's say that I want to feature a mansion on that page. What I can do is simply upload an image, click add to page, and it will then show up on my website as well. And there it is. So that's pretty much how you can do that. Pretty simple. You can change the title of this as well. So mansion, for example, just like that. And it will then also show up on the background on here. So if we click preview, which you can always do in the top right corner, by the way, you can see what your changes actually look like. So if I click right there one more time, and there we go. That's the image that I just uploaded. That looks pretty good. Now once you've done that, you can go back to the editor, and now you know that the picture actually shows up and it actually looks good. So that's what I always recommend doing. If you've changed something, then just click on preview to see if it's a good fit for the website. But this is how you can pretty much start building out your entire website. So what you can do is simply click on the text and then change it. Click on the image and change it. So that's how you start filling it with all of your own content. Now, apart from the homepage, we've also got a few other pages. We've got the agent page, the contact page, and the book online page. What you can do is click on menus and pages, and then right there you'll find those pages. So if you go to site menu, click on agents, once again you'll see the website and you can start changing it. So if you want to add all of your own agents from your real estate business, you click on it and you simply change, in this case you click manage staff, and then you can upload their images, their names, and all of that good stuff, so that this actually fits for your own business. I'm not sure why it's not loading. Might be my internet connection, but let's see. There we go. Yep, there we go. So what this is going to do, it's going to send you over to your dashboard where you can actually add your staff. You can see right there, pretty cool. You can add their Google calendars even on here, which is great for booking appointments with your staff, but you get the point. That's pretty much how you can start building out your website. So go over all of the menus and pages, change the content on them, and fill it with your own content, with your own information, which is pretty cool and pretty simple to do. Now, once you're done doing all of it, you need to publish the website. You can click on publish in the top right corner, and then you've got two options. You've got two options. One of them is the free version, so you can go with a domain name that looks like this. So that would be your Wix username, .wixsite.com/mysite, or, and I'll show you what the website now looks like, or you can connect your own branded domain. So let's say that you have a company, and this is what I recommend doing because this doesn't look that professional. If you have a company, you can do www.companyname.com, which is honestly one of the best ways and most trusted ways for people to find your website and actually purchase from that website as well. If you're going to go with a domain name like this, that's not going to be great, but you can of course do it because this website is now live. You can see the domain name is this one right there. So if people type in this specific address, they'll go to this website. So you can do it for free, but do know that there's Wix branding involved on that free plan. If you're going to go with the upgrade now, you can go ahead and get Wix hosting and domain names. As you guys can see, you can go with any of these plans. You can also go with the website plans. But I recommend going with business since you're a business. So that's great for adding your staff and all of that. I'm not going to push you guys into buying any of these. Just make sure you pay some attention to the features. Take a look at your budget. Take a look at what you need and then go with that plan. But you can then change that specific domain name to www.xyz, aka your businessname.com, for example. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can build a real estate business website. If you appreciate this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to help you out, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.